Hi there, I'm Becca from Motor Match Chester and I'm going to be taking you around one of our approved used vehicles. This is the Audi TT Sport S Tronic. It's a 2013 model coming with the 1.8 litre petrol engine and automatic transmission. And this car comes in truly excellent condition throughout. It comes from only one previous owner with 41,000 miles on the clock and a fantastic full dealership service history with the last completed at 39,000 miles. The car is finished in the stunning Sahara Silver metallic paint. It boasts a retractable spoiler offering a sporty look. You've got those fantastic 17-inch alloys, along with the rear parking sensors which come as part of the comfort pack. Now moving into the boot space of the vehicle here, so you've got a really good amount of room with this being a sport coupe. You do also have a privacy cover on top. Into the rear seats, they're finished in the part leather, part Alcantara upholstery. You've got ISO points available too. Into your driver's interior, you've got controls for your windows and door mirrors on the door card there. You've got the flat bottom sport steering wheel, and you will notice we've got sport seating in the front, offering excellent comfort. Just behind the steering wheel you will find your cruise control, which also comes as part of the comfort pack I mentioned earlier. You will also find your paddle shift gears there. Taking a look up at the dials, you can see you've got your exact mileage on the right hand screen. You've got a digital speedometer and access to your trip information as well. Across to the media system, you will notice we've got access here to FM and AM radio wavebands, offering plenty of stations for you to choose from. You can also stream your own music via CD or aux, so you've got plenty of choice when it comes to listening to songs. Below the media screen is your air conditioning, very nice and easy to use. You've got your S Tronic automatic gear selector there, alongside the controls for your spoiler and for your traction control. You will then find your manual handbrake and plenty of extra storage. RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 01244 311 404 or inquire online now. Thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you soon here at Motor Match Chester.